It's after 3:30, and a reminder, we go to any low today. 25.75 was a measured move. As we get closer to that 26 zone, want to be careful. And Peck, attaboy. I would certainly rather trade short side than long any day in a trend day. You know, this just shows the power of a trend day, where people have guessed wrong all day long. Have really got to pay up. It's not been one trade it's made sense for the long side today, other than, you know, profit-taking swings. And every angel has been taken out and shot. So there was T1 today. We said 25.75. We've come fairly close to it. And if you've got anything left in the chute, take them out here. Keep an eye on time. This is when you don't want to get caught. Right here. Another big push ticks. So this is the flush. And if you take a look at where we were yesterday and where we are now, this is why you do not average in and try to save a position. You take your stop loss and look to find another trade. Okay, 25.75 was T1. We came within 2 ticks of it. Good night, Alice. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Peck. Beautiful trade, you guys. Every angel has been beaten. And we are late day. Very rarely that we close on the low or high. Just a reminder. So when you run out of bullets, nothing left, nothing to do. You want to buy, up to you. I told you I wasn't buying. And I'm flat at this point and happy to just sit here now. If there's anything left to do, we'll find something, but at the end of the day, 3:30. 40 points off yesterday's high. Good place to flatten out. And look at the umbrella trade. You cannot do better than that. That's the umbrella. 15-minute backed it up. 30 backed it up. Jason's channel, that's a nice chart. It's a beauty. Well done, Jason. Not bad. Came within 2 ticks of T1. I didn't think we'd get that close. Yeah. Yeah, I was up, like I said, I was up early. I was up, you know, by 4 o'clock. I'm exhausted. Just had to go take a bathroom break. Just crazy. Drink a little bit of water, drink a little juice. Try to stay hydrated. A little, you know, my eyes go, after a while your eyes just go. You just have to get up and get out of your seat and stand up, get a little oxygen to the brain. Some of you guys I know trade standing up or whatever, but I'd be sleeping on my feet. Well done. So this was support, this was resistance. We've come back and forced these traders out, closed that gap. And the chart that we looked at earlier, showing this 29 zone, this is mid-swing of the bigger swing. So I think that's an important consideration. The charts that we've talked about all along from different swing sizes clearly show that, we're obviously in a correction. And the question is, where will support be found? And a good way to check that out is to look for logical ideas. Certainly, you have to look at this as the next potential. There's a gap, by the way, here. So the next logical support zone is going to be right here. And then just underneath it, obviously. Yeah. Get that later. And that would be 100 points off of the high. Up in the 1605 area. And then this 95 is at measured move ABCD if we get that. And I don't like to get too far ahead of myself. Take it step by step. We leave this behind and get another gap down tomorrow, there's going to be some pain. Sometimes you'll get news where you'll get a real snapback. Today, nothing. And I still haven't seen, what Zeke and I like to see, which is stopping volume. Haven't seen that. Got the big ticks. Solid trend day. And this is why you do not average in. You just cannot play the game that way. Need the discipline. Need to walk away from it. If you try a couple of times and you get stopped out, so be it. That's a better way to play. And winding up just trashing your account. Yet again, another try. And every angel has been beaten. We said, Haggerty had said that the turning point should be a couple of weeks into July. I'm sorry, August. First one in July, but the major one in August. Here we are.